Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install TizenBrew on your Samsung TV. Let's get started. Even though the app is not available in the Samsung App Store, don't worry, I'll guide you through the full process step by step so you can install it without any hassle. Before we begin, there are a few requirements you need to check. First, your Samsung TV must be running Tizen 3.0 or a newer version, and your TV model should be 2017 or newer. Otherwise, this method may not work properly. Also, you will need a PC or laptop for this method. There are multiple ways to install it, but using a PC or laptop is usually the easiest and most reliable way. Now, let's begin with the first step. You need to make sure that your Samsung TV and your PC or laptop are connected to the same network. For example, if you are using a Wi-Fi router or even a mobile hotspot, both devices must be connected to that same network. If they are on different networks, the connection will not work. Next, move to your PC or laptop. Open the command prompt or terminal, then type ipconfig and press enter. After that, you will see several network details listed on the screen. Look for the IPv4 address and note it down somewhere because we will need this address in the next step. Now we move to the second step, which is enabling developer mode on your Samsung TV. Open the apps section on your Samsung TV. When you're inside the apps panel, use your remote and enter the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After typing these numbers, the developer mode pop-up window should appear. Sometimes the pop-up may not show immediately. If that happens, try pressing the apps button on your remote again, then enter the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 once more. Once the developer mode window appears, you will see that developer mode is turned off by default. Turn it on, and then in the host PC IP field, enter the IPv4 address that you noted earlier from your PC or laptop. After entering the IP address, click OK, and then reboot your TV. In some cases, after rebooting the TV, the developer option might disappear. If that happens, just repeat the same steps again. But this time, do not reboot the TV again after enabling developer mode. Now let's move to the third step. We need to find the IP address of your Samsung TV. Press the settings button on your remote or open the settings menu from your TV interface. From there, go to General, then open Network and select Network Status. After that, go to IP Settings. Here, you will see your TV's IP address. Write this address down because we will need it in the next step. Now go back to your PC or laptop again. Open your browser and go to the official GitHub page where you will download the TizenBrew device manager. Download the setup file, which is usually a setup.exe file for Windows. Once the file finishes downloading, install it on your computer. After installation, open the TizenBrew device manager. Inside the program, go to the Connect Device section. Here you need to enter the IP address of your Samsung TV that you noted earlier. Once you enter the IP address, click on Connect. If everything is set up correctly, your TV should connect successfully to the TizenBrew device manager, and you will see a connected message on the screen. Sometimes it may take a few seconds, so just wait if it doesn't appear immediately. Next, go to the device info section. Here you will be able to see the Tizen version running on your Samsung TV. In my case, it shows version 5.5, but yours may be slightly different depending on your TV model. Now the next step is installing the TizenBrew widget. Go back to the GitHub page and download the latest TizenBrew widget file, which will usually have the .wgt file format. After downloading the file, return to TizenBrew Device Manager. Go to the Apps section, then click Install App. Select the .wgt file that you just downloaded, and click Install. Now wait for the installation to complete. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once the installation finishes, the install icon will disappear, and inside the Apps section, you should see TizenBrew installed on your TV. Now go back to your Samsung TV and open the apps section again. You should now see the TizenBrew app available there. Open the app. The first time you launch it, you might see an error message, but don't worry because this is easy to fix. Close the app and go back to the developer mode settings again. In the host PC IP field, enter 127.0.0.1. After that, restart your TV by holding the power button for about 5 seconds. Once the TV restarts, open the TizenBrew app again, and this time, it should open properly without any errors. And that's it. This is the method you can use to install TizenBrew on your Samsung TV using a PC or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.